I make this video especially for those who have lawn in the garden. Okay, if you take a closer look to your lawn, you will notice there are actually more than one type of plants. Here you have the grass, and here you have weeds. These are weeds. These are not grass, and they are unwanted in your garden. For most people, which includes me, we will just cut the weed off by using a grass mower. But there's actually a better way of doing it, which is you have to manually remove the weed. Okay, take out the weeds entirely until you get out the roots. Okay, take them out. Make sure you make sure you get the root out lah. Okay. If you just cut them like you usually do, you will spread the weed seeds around your garden, and you will have weed infestation like what I have here. So next time you see weeds coming out on your lawn, just take them out. Okay, take them out. If there are too much weeds or you don't have much time to remove the weeds manually, you can use chemical control. Just go to gardening outlets and ask them what is the suitable chemical to kill weeds without killing the grass. Like for me, I use these herbicides from DuPont. Okay, if I spray it on my lawn, it will kill these weeds. It will kill these weeds, but it will not affect my lawn. The grass will live, but the weeds will die. Just go to the outlets and ask them. Okay, that's all I want to share with you, and I'm going to remove the weeds from my garden. Bye.